Hi friends, welcome to Master Chef Walks. In the with the chocolate chip cookie in the corner. So we need white sugar, all-purpose flour, and chocolate chips, and baking soda, and brown sugar, and eggs, butter, and vanilla essence. Now we are going to mix white sugar, brown sugar, and butter. Now we can mix. Now we can add the eggs. Done. To mix well. Now we can add vanilla. Now we can add baking soda. Now we can add Now we can add flour. Now we can mix. I can mix. Now I am almost done. Now I can put the chocolate chip in here. I gotta eat one. I can't do it. Yeah. Uh-oh. Go. My hands are dirty. Now we can scoop in the tray. Preheat the oven into 350. Yeah, my cookies are ready. Let's taste them. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Bye.